Welcome to the Oceanogràfic, the largest aquarium in Europe. It was designed by legendary architect Felix Candela. Its structures resemble giant water lily floating on pristine blue lagoons. In this video, you will walk through a 70 meters underwater tunnel filled with sharks and rays, see an incredible dolphin show. You'll meet belugas and penguins. Welcome to the unique atmosphere of the ocean world. Inside, the complex is divided into 9 aquatic towers, each replicating a distinct marine ecosystem from the tropical reefs of the Red Sea to the icy depths of the Arctic. It is home to over 45,000 animals. Thank you for support of the channel. Please share the video and subscribe. Let's go! We will start with dolphins show. Every day you could visit few show with dolphins. You absolutely cannot miss the world-class dolphin show. The dolphinarium here is one of the largest in Europe, holding over 23 million liters of water, and is home to a truly amazing family of bottlenose dolphins. Here's a quick insider tip for your visit. Show times can change depending on the season, so it's best to check the exact schedule right at the entrance when you arrive. Make sure to head over to the stadium about 15 minutes before the show starts. Trust me, arriving early is key if you want to grab the best seats with an unobstructed view of all the action. These incredibly smart animals are guaranteed to steal your heart. The show itself is so much more than just impressive flips and high jumps. Beyond the breathtaking performance, the trainers share fascinating facts about how dolphins live, communicate, and hunt in the wild. You'll even get to participate in an interactive quiz right from your seat, making it fun and educational for both kids and adults. Whether you're a lifelong dolphin lover or visiting for the first time, this show will definitely be one of the highlights of your trip to Valencia. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, have you ever seen a dolphin show live? Now we're meeting the real stars of the park, the hilarious sea lions and the massive, magnificent walruses. First up, the sea lions. These playful acrobats are constantly zooming through the water, barking and showing off. You can watch them both from above and underwater as they glide past the glass with incredible speed and agility. Just a short walk away, under the massive Arctic dome, you'll find the giants of the deep, the walruses. Weighing over a ton, these gentle giants are famous for their iconic tusks and surprisingly gentle nature. Watching them swim so gracefully underwater is an unforgettable sight. Did you know a full-grown walrus can eat up to 50 kilos of food a day? Welcome to feeding time at Valencia's Oceanogràfic. Watching these giants get hand-fed by their trainers is pure joy. They slurp up fish and mollusks in seconds, showing off their massive tusks and surprisingly sweet personalities. Would you dare to feed a 1-ton walrus? Let me know in the comments. Their energy and charm will instantly brighten your day. Which one is your favorite? The hyperactive sea lions or the giant walruses? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Hidden among the rocks in the Mediterranean zone of Valencia's Oceanogràfic lies one of the most mysterious creatures of the deep, the Moray eel. With their snake-like bodies and sharp teeth, they might look a bit terrifying as they peek out from their caves. But fun fact, they constantly open and close their mouths not to intimidate you, but just to breathe. Another fascinating secret? Moray eels actually have a second set of jaws inside their throat, just like the creature in the movie Alien, to help them swallow their prey. Watching them glide effortlessly through the water is both eerie and captivating. Are you fascinated by them or a little creeped out? Tell me in the comments. Meet the cutest resident of Valencia's Oceanogràfic, this tiny baby sea turtle. Saved and cared for by the park's rescue center, look at it padding through the water with its little flippers. Isn't it just so cute? Drop a heart in the comments if you love sea turtles. Welcome to the Red Sea section of Valencia's Oceanogràfic. The Red Sea is famous for having some of the richest and most colorful coral reefs on the planet. And this massive tank brings that tropical paradise straight to Spain. And you can see the unique video, How to Feed Tropical Fish. As you step up to the giant curved glass, you're immediately surrounded by thousands of tropical fish swimming through intricate coral structures. What makes the Red Sea so unique is that over 10% of its fish species can be found anywhere else on Earth. The water here is kept crystal clear and warm to perfectly mimic their natural habitat. Take a closer look, and you'll spot plenty of familiar faces. Look among the sea anemones, and you'll see bright orange clownfish, yes, just like Nemo waving their fins. Nearby, colorful surgeonfish, butterflyfish, and angelfish glide effortlessly, creating a mesmerizing explosion of yellow, blue, and neon pink. Standing here, watching the effortless rhythm of the reef, and listening to the soft ambient glow of the water is pure therapy. It's easily one of the most relaxing and beautiful spots in the entire aquarium. Which colorful fish caught your eye first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more underwater adventures. Look closely, that is the most exotic creatures in Valencia's Oceanogràfic. Relatives of the seahorse, these unbelievable masters of camouflage use their leaf-like fins to blend perfectly into underwater plants. Aren't they pure magic? Tell me in the comments if you spotted them right away. Step under the massive Arctic dome at Valencia's Oceanogràfic, and you'll meet the true icons of the north, the beluga whales. Known as the canaries of the sea, these snow-white giants are famous for their chirping sounds and irresistible charm. Belugas love children and play with them. Visitors fell in love with Yolka and her son Kailu, the very first beluga born in captivity in Europe to survive past infancy. Watching them move through the icy water with such grace, interacting with visitors through the glass is pure magic. Do you know the shocking fact? In 2024, an extraordinary international rescue mission saved 2 more belugas, Plavid and Miranda, from an active military conflict zone in Kharkiv, Ukraine. After traveling over 4,000 kilometers by land and air, they found safety here in Valencia, joining the resident pod. Today, Oceanogràfic is home to the largest family of beluga whales in Europe, a living symbol of hope, care, and resilience. Have you ever seen a beluga whale up close? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. At Valencia's Oceanogràfic, after beluga whales, you could visit the frozen world of the Antarctic. Stepping into this enclosure feels like taking a sudden trip straight to the South Pole to meet a bustling colony of Gen 2 penguins. With their bright orange beaks, white bonnet-like head patches, and unmistakable waddle, these birds are absolute show stealers. On land, they look adorably clumsy as they hop across the rocks and interact with each other, making it impossible not to smile. But once they dive into the water, everything changes. Gen 2 penguins are the fastest underwater swimmers of all penguin species, reaching speeds of up to 36 kilometers per hour. Watching them shoot through the pool like feather torpedoes is mind-blowing. The park recreates their natural habitat down to the finest detail, from sub-zero temperatures to custom lighting that simulates Antarctic seasons. They are easily some of the most lively and entertaining residents in Valencia. Which do you prefer, their awkward land waddle or their lightning-fast swimming? Let me know in the comment. Get ready to step into the ultimate underwater adventure. We're heading into the Atlantic section of Valencia's Oceanogràfic to walk through one of its most breathtaking attractions, a massive 70-meter glass tunnel where sharks and rays rule the waters right above your head. The atmosphere instantly transforms. Glowing blue water surrounds you on all sides, making you feel like you're scuba diving in the middle of the ocean, without even getting wet. Sharing this massive ocean habitat are dozens of stingrays and eagle rays. Watching them swim is pure poetry. Their wing-like fins flap gracefully as they float through the water like underwater birds. If you look closely at the glass, you might even catch a ray pressed against it, looking like it's smiling right at you. You can spot around 20 different shark species like sand tigers and nurse sharks, plus 16 distinct species of rays. The main stars of the tunnel, the sand tiger sharks. With their rows of sharp exposed teeth and steady silent swim, they look fierce and intimidating. But fun fact, despite their menacing appearance, these giants are surprisingly calm and slow-moving, rarely posing any threat to humans. What makes this experience truly special is how close you get to these incredible creatures, giving you a whole new respect for ocean conservation. It's easily one of the most unforgettable highlights in all of Europe. Would you be brave enough to walk underneath a pool full of sharks? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures. And now it's time to say goodbye to adventures at Valencia's Oceanogràfic. From giant sharks and belugas to playful penguins and tropical fish, turtles, this truly is an unforgettable underwater world. Which animal was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and support of the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.